Radiologists have new guidelines for treating breast cancer, health plans brace for too expensive new drugs, and the issue of healthcare isn't going away for President Trump. Welcome to This Week in Managed Care. I'm Briella Cioli. Radiologists treating women with breast cancer have new guidelines following the annual conference of the National Comprehensive Cancer Network, which met last week in Orlando, Florida. The guidelines, updated this month, are designed to tailor radiation doses to individual patients and spare surrounding tissue. Dr. Killian Salerno of the Roswell Park Cancer Institute said understanding the target area is key to giving patients the best treatment. The target region to receive the radiation dose can vary. It might be the whole breast, the partial breast where we may target the lumpectomy cavity, the chest wall, or just regional nodes. For full coverage of the NCCN annual conference, visit ajmc.com. New biologics to treat progressive multiple sclerosis and atopic dermatitis were on the radar this week at the Academy of Managed Care Pharmacy annual meeting in Denver, Colorado. Ocrevus to treat MS and Dupixent for atopic dermatitis were approved both on Tuesday, with Dupixent priced at $37,000 a year. Dr. Amy Thoraldson of Express Scripts told AJMC that Dupixent is a very effective drug and that it should reach market quickly.
This is a biologic drug to treat patients with moderate to severe atopic dermatitis who aren't well controlled on currently available topical therapies like glucocorticoids or calcineurin inhibitors like Protopic and Elidel. So there's about 300,000 or even more patients in the US right now who could be candidates for treatment with Dupixent.
For more from the AMCP annual meeting, visit ajmc.com. House Republicans may have shelved their plans to repeal and replace the Affordable Care Act, but that doesn't mean that healthcare isn't still an issue for President Donald Trump. With health plans now facing June deadlines to submit rates for 2018, the Trump administration has at least 4 immediate healthcare challenges. Republicans must decide whether to fund cost-sharing subsidies. Conservative states like Kansas may expand Medicaid. Multiple health plans are suing to recover funds for risk corridors, and investigators are asking whether the Trump team acted appropriately in January when it stalled the ad campaign for open enrollment. Meanwhile, reports suggest Trump will try again soon to reach an agreement on replacing the ACA. Medicare patients who need insulin to treat their diabetes receive good news this week. CMS has published rules on how they can get coverage for the Dexcom G5 continuous glucose monitor, which received an FDA approval for patients to use during insulin dosing. Diabetes advocates have worked for years for this rule change, but there's a catch. Medicare won't pay for the CGM system if patients use their smartphones to monitor their blood glucose data. According to the approval, patients cannot even use their smartphones alongside the data receiver that comes with the system because smartphones are not, quote, durable medical equipment. Deborah Parrish, an attorney who has represented diabetes patients in Medicare appeals, called this decision nonsensical. Durable medical equipment does not become non-durable if a Medicare beneficiary uses a smartphone app with the device. This novel restriction appears to be designed to ensure that the only CGM that is covered by Medicare will not be fully covered for those individuals who use it to its full functionality to monitor their glucose levels. Healthcare commentator Ovik Roy will lead an all-star lineup at the spring meeting of the ACO and Emerging Healthcare Delivery Coalition, which AJMC will bring to Scottsdale, Arizona, May 4th and 5th. Roy is a leading conservative advocate for universal healthcare and the opinion editor at Forbes. The spring meeting theme, Prepare for Impact, will help healthcare leaders get ready for changes coming in the Trump administration. For more information and to register, visit ajmc.com. For everyone at the Managed Markets News Network, I'm Briella Cioli. Thanks for joining us.